Hi guys, Jay Gitau here and welcome back to my channel. So I've been struggling with how to do a natural hair bun without gel for the longest time and how to make my bun look huge because I like it when it looks a bit bigger. I find that it looks a bit more official. Also, big hair, don't care. So I came across a hack and thought, why not share it with you? So in today's video, we are going to be looking at 3 different ways to style your natural hair bun on 4C, 4B, 4A or combination type of hair. And without further ado, let's just jump straight into the video. I started by creating a base for my bun using this bun band that I got in the Nairobi CBD for about, I think, 50 or 100 bob. I then hold my hair in a ponytail and get my hair through the hole in the bun band. I proceed to straighten the ends all around the bun so that we can create that donut effect. I then tie all the hair at the base of my bun using this small hair tie. One of the best things I've discovered in the streets of Nairobi this year is this bun band. It's allowed me to have a voluminous bun which I cannot do if I just use regular hair ties. The first variation of my bun has 2 flat twists at the front. So we are going to go ahead and flat twist our hair at the front. Once I'm done flat twisting each section, I ensure to secure the ends of my flat twist with a bobby pin so I can move on to the next section without unraveling the one I have already done. Moving to the back, I'm going to take each flat twist section and cross it over the bun and then tuck it under and secure it with a bobby pin to keep it in place. The second variation of the bun is where my hair is left open at the front. When I don't want my hair to lie flat on my head or to do a flat twist, I bring each section around the base of the bun and pin it under. I do this for both sections, and once I'm done, I use a million more bobby pins to secure each section and make the hairstyle neater. The third variation of the bun is what we do regularly. I used a Denman brush to tame my hair a bit, then gathered my hair in a ponytail and stretched out the ends per usual. This step is similar to the first one we used to form the base of the two previous hairstyles. Can you peep how much I struggled to get that hair tie to the base? The struggle is real. To tame the bumpy top, since I'm not using gel, I use bobby pins. And at this point, I had to call in reinforcement because I was flying blind. Thank you for watching and making it to the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, you can give it a thumbs up. You can comment down below and let me know what you think, and then you can subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you get alerts when I drop a new video every week. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.